Hi everyone, I am Kamesh, working as an assistant engineer in PS and die casting. Here we make dies and die casting products according to our partner needs. In next 5 years, we will be emerging with our new ideas, and this die casting field is also in booming level. This sector also going to be improved by new automation technologies, so that we can get more job vacancies in future. If a student gets knowledge about die castings, after 3 to 4 years, he or she can be a supervisor in a reputed company. And they can join in other companies for a better salary. If they are capable to run a company, they should get a minimum experience of 6 to 7 years. Here we are using high level furnace to make die casting products. The temperature will be more than 750 degrees Celsius. It's hard for a newcomer work under this temperature. The shop floor will be noisy, so they can overcome using safety measures like earplugs, gloves, helmets, aprons. By using all these safety measures followed by the company, we can overcome it. Due to COVID-19, we are not able to import raw materials from other countries. So that raw materials price has been increased. Some employees have not returned from their hometown. So these are the challenges we are facing right now. We are purchasing raw materials from domestic areas for higher cost. We are hiring local people for high salary. Planning for new days and bringing new technologies towards competitive level. We are also sustaining in this sector, bringing a part of new product in automobile industries. I enjoy it.